Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix iOS 17 battery draining issue after update. So how can fix this problem? So I will request to my all friends. First of all, you have subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. So first of all, you have fixed this issue. You have update your app. You have use of your iPhone or mobile and any mobile, so you have must be you have update all app. And then other solution, you have find out what apps are draining your battery on iPhone. कौन से ऐप हैं जो आपकी बैटरी ड्रेनिंग का प्रॉब्लम कर रहे हैं, कौन से ऐप्स हैं उनको आप देखें, उनको डिलीट करें या फिर उनका इतना यूज़ ना करें. Third solution, you have check the battery health. Open the setting and then you have click on battery and then you have click on battery health and then you have check the battery capacity on your iPhone. Then other solution, you have turn off background app refresh. So you have again open the setting and then you have click on general and then scroll up, then you have click on background app refresh and then you have is turn off. I have already turned off, then you have must be is turn off your background app refresh. Then other solution, you have use low power mode to extend battery life. So you have again open the setting and then you have click on battery and then you have click on low power mode as mode to extend battery health, then you have turn on. Then other solution and last solution, you have fixed this problem, so you have restart your iPhone, then volume up button, then volume down button and press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then your problem will be fixed. And then 5 to 10 second or 20 second, then you wait and then your mobile is restart and then your problem will be fixed and 100% working on your iPhone. Hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.